Hair problem solution tips. Top 5 frequently asked questions about hair and their answered. You should always take care of hair just like your skin. You have to protect your hair from external damage causing factors such as dust, heat and pollution. This damage can lead to hair loss. Proper hair care regimen is very important to keep your hair beautiful, healthy and shiny. Actually, you need to be even more careful about your hair. Just regular washing and conditioning your hair is not enough. That's why I'm sharing with you some basics of hair care according to Ayurveda, or what Ayurveda says about your hair care. So here is top 5 frequently asked question about hair care. Welcome to this most authentic healthcare channel where you will find the treatment of many diseases and also get the valuable information of herbs and useful health tips. I am Dr Vandana Saraf, MD Ayurved, Associate Professor and Ayurvedic Dermatologist in GAC, Ujjain, India. If you not subscribe yet, you are missing out. Do it right now. Only 5 things you have to be keep in mind in order to take care of your hair. Number 1, washing your hair. Number 2, conditioning your hair. And number 3, apply serums on your hair. And number 4, give extra requirement or treatment like apply hair mask or particular required hair mask. And number 5 and last, nourishment of your hair or internal supplements like biotin, iron, calcium, copper, zinc or vitamins. So here are the question. Question number 1. Which kind of shampoo is good for your hair? And the answer is number 1. Always wash your hair with sulfate free and silicone free shampoo. Most common sulfate compounds within the beauty industries are sodium laureth sulfate, sodium lauryl sulfate and ammonium laureth sulfate. All can be irritating to your skin like redness, dryness and itching, and also causes hair fall. In long term use, make your hair dry and brittle. Number 2 cause, use mild but potent enough to cleaning shampoo. Shampoo contains surfactants like coco glucoside, decyl glucoside, cucobutane, etc. Why silicone free shampoo? Silicones are polymers with a chemical structure. It forms a layer or coat around the hair shaft. It creates temporary illusion of healthy hair, but as they continue to build up layer by layer, and this build up is hard to remove because it is water insoluble. And silicone layer also prevent moisture and essential oil from getting to the hair shaft. It can also cause rashes, burning, itching and irritation to the hair follicles and makes your hair dry and brittle. So what are the options? Use mild herbal shampoo which can be able to clean your hair gently and also provides nourishment to your hair. So choose that kind of shampoo first. If you want pure herbal shampoo, then we have some options like homemade shampoos. You can make it with the decoction of trifla, decoction of guruchi and neem, decoction of mulethi and the decoction of Rita, Amla and Shikakai, well known. You can choose any one out of these decoction and wash your hair 2 times a week. How to make these decoction? I will make separate video for that, so keep watching. Question number 2. How can one reduce dandruff? You can use all before set decoction to get rid of dandruff. We are using these decoction for treating dandruff's problem in our daily OPD. So keep faith and using them and you will definitely get the result which you want. After washing your hair with these decoction, you should apply any good hair oil, maybe coconut or olive oil in your dry hair. It can definitely reduce your dandruff. Question number 3. Why it is important to use hair conditioner? And the answer is shampoo cleans the scalp but at the same time it leaves the hair dry. And conditioner works by smoothing down the hair to making it look smooth and shiny. The shampoo works on the scalp and open the hair cuticles and conditioner locks all the nutrient and seals it back. Question number 4. How to make your hair grow faster? And the answer is, to make your hair grow faster, you need to take care of it. Your hair cannot grow overnight. So you need to follow a good hair care regimen, which includes regular trimming, applying oil or hair mask on a weekly basis, and you can also consider consuming hair boosting supplements after consulting an expert. Question number 5. How can one stop hair fall? Answer is that you need to actively care for your hair to stop hair fall. Using a shampoo that has harsh ingredient and one that is loaded with chemical can damage your hair and lead to hair fall. Instead, option for a mild shampoo that will clean your scalp and at the same will not damage your hair. Use a good hairbrush and massage your scalp well to stimulate circulation. Always use oil before shampoo. If you are still listening this video, I'm sure you got enough information to take care of your health. I hope this helps you. If you have any question, comment me below. I will try to give the answer of all your question. We will be come back very soon with another problem solving video. Till then, stay safe and healthy.